not even going fast. He's not going that fast. I hear the boom.
Now that you told me.
Go boom, damn it.
I don't know. That'd be kind of bad to do it because you could break windows. Yeah.
Maybe this guy.
Don't break my car window.
I know.
I'm like, maybe it's cold. What's the window?
Tinted.
Now everyone's standing up looking.
It's fully loaded. It's fully loaded, Charlie. Those pervert, like.
Maybe he's going to.
When I was at the museum the other day, like.
What?
What was happening? I don't know what to expect.
Did you land it? No, it's not landing. Oh, he's just going slow.
Car runs the rhino in from left to right. And at the kick race demonstration.
Demonstration?
You're like,
As he approaches show centre, they roll the aircraft at a 90-degree angle back and abruptly pull away from us.
Last air show I went to, they had like explosions and everything going on.
There's another one in McCord.
Oh, really? Yeah. I have to book at home, like, with all the air shows in the country, but...
I'm gonna go that too.
Oh, really? The one at McCord, when?
I think it's July.
Oh my God. I'll work it out.
Sit down.
Yeah. here and it's still over there. Yeah.
This next class of the FA
Yeah, the last one I went to, they I don't know what they did. They had all the airplanes like come in like across from each other. Then it's like where the control tower is. I think the fire was a little closer to us, just a little bit, but you still felt it.
Oh wow.
It was a pretty
What if
big
he's gonna
boom.
land back this way then? He just right back where he was there.
Oh, I guess he's almost done at that airplane. Sorry. Or those airplanes. Doing a slow flyby.